there is so much truth to why each individual artist paints. And so here's my truth. I paint very much from the heart, with my connection to the landscape and that moment and the thing that's inspired me. And I want that truth to connect to yours, that when you see a painting, there's something within you that smells that water, that hears those leaves, that takes you back to that moment of calm where you can breathe again. So that's my truth for my paintings. That's the truth behind my paintings. And when they resonate with another human and they make them feel those feelings too, there's no better feeling.